Hey guys, this is Henry from OBEDIA again. Today we're going to be learning how to disable and re-enable a track in Pro Tools. So let's say that you're in the middle of a recording session, you're the engineer and you're working with a producer, and you're recording bass, you do the whole line, you record it from top to bottom, the whole song, you compile it, and you have a bass line that's actually pretty good, but for some reason the producer says, no, we don't like it, or I don't like it, let's just get rid of it. But something on the back of your head says, hey, don't get rid of it because you can reuse it for something. Maybe equalize it in another way, or I don't know, add some distortion or compress it and use it as some kind of effect, okay? But maybe, you're thinking maybe I'll use this somehow during mixing. But right now, I don't want it to consume any CPU resources, and I just want it to be disabled, but I don't want to delete it because I think I might use it at some point. Well, that's when this function is very useful in Pro Tools, okay? As I said before, we're going to learn how to disable and re-enable a track in Pro Tools. Now, Pro Tools doesn't really call it disabling it and enabling it. It's more like making it inactive and then making it active. That's the actual nomenclature that Pro Tools uses, okay? So let's say that you want to make this bass track inactive. If you simply go and click on the bass and then right-click on its name, you can select here, make inactive. And as you can see, it's now grayed out. This means that this track is completely inactive. So the track is not consuming CPU resources, nor the plugins, and there's no audio coming out of it. Even though there are some clips, as you can see, there's some clips here, some audio clips, but they won't be reproduced, okay? So that way your producer's happy, there's no bass playing back. It's not consuming any CPU resources, it is not taxing your computer, but you still have it there. So in case you want to use it, you can always make it active again. Now, how do you do that? Well, simply go to the bass track again, right-click on its name, and then click on Make Active. And there it is back, completely active and fully operational. Now, there's another way you can do this, and it's actually cooler. If you right-click on its name and click on Hide and Make Inactive. Boom. Oh my God, the bass is gone. No, it's not gone. It's inactive and it's hidden. Now, how do I make it come back? Well, if you open your left tab, you can see here bass on the list of tracks. Here's bass, and you can see these black dots. This one is gray, which means that it is hidden. If you click on it, the bass is back. If you click back at it, it's gone. So that's how you actually show and hide a track in Pro Tools. So now that you're showing it, you can right-click on it and then make active. And there it is. Here's your bass track back and fully operational. So that's how you make a track inactive and active also in Pro Tools. If you have any other questions, please call us at OBEDIA and PC Audio Labs, and we're going to be super happy to help you guys. We'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Today's pro audio hardware and software can give you excellent results if you know how to use it properly. OBEDIA can help you to get the most out of your pro audio hardware and software. Why spend your time scouring the internet for answers or digging through manuals? With one quick call to an OBEDIA technician, you'll be connected with someone who can give you the answers that you need in real time via phone and remote desktop. OBEDIA technicians are trained in all major digital audio applications on Mac, PC, iOS, and Android devices. OBEDIA member subscriptions are cost-effective, give you great member benefits, and OBEDIA is here 7 days a week to help you get the most out of your digital audio hardware and software. No matter what your level of expertise, OBEDIA can help you to stay focused and productive and get your music back on track. Start taming your technology today with OBEDIA.